And Valencia Marathon is the race of the records. This is the city of running, so we always want to run fast. We did last year with 2:01 and 2:14, and our main goals is to keep improving ourselves. So we are expecting times faster than that.
Give me something now to get the people on the floor.
Joshua Cheptegei is the most expected debutant in the distance so far. He has been in Valencia before. He did the world record in 10K. He did also the world record in 10,000 meters. And we are extremely proud that he has chosen Valencia for his debut. How fast can he go? I'm not sure. But what I know is that he will do extremely well.
Now to get the people on the floor.
Those of us who have been involved in athletics or enjoyed athletics for the last 20 years, we know how good Kenenisa Bekele is. It's true that his affair with the marathon has not been as successful as many people could have expected, but Kenenisa Bekele cannot retire, cannot hang down his shoes before running in Valencia, and I do have the belief that his racing in Valencia is going to leave us with just like the mouth completely open. He still has something to show. After winning Valencia Half Marathon for 3 times, and 2 of them running 57 minutes, we can just not dream big enough for what Kibiwot Kandi can do in Valencia. He's not a debutant because he did New York some time back, but not in a good time. So just expect the best. So someone who does 57 minutes in half marathon, who is able to do it again and beat anyone in the field, is capable of anything in the marathon.
Got something now to get the people on the floor.
Alexander Mutiso is one of those athletes who love Valencia very much. He did 57 minutes in our half marathon. He has been in the podium in the marathon, and he wants to come again and improve his best. He knows that times now are going faster. People are running 2:01, and he wants to be one of them. Sisai Lema is one of those atypical marathon runners that is not so slim, is not that easygoing he's very built. He's a very musculous athlete. You might not count on him, but he has already won London Marathon. So I would never put him aside when the marathon is coming. He's capable of amazing things, and you will see it. Last year we had 2:14 as the winning time in Valencia, but it's true that this year the female marathon has just been blasted with 2:11 in Berlin, 2:13 in Chicago. We want to be among those races to be the best in the world. So our target is, of course, breaking our course record and get as close as possible to the world record.
Give me something now to get the people on the floor.
Tsegay Gemechu, she didn't have a good race in the last World Championships in Budapest. She dropped out, but she came from a second place in Tokyo Marathon, which was also her personal best, and she's a very fast runner also in the track and in the half marathon. I think that not many people know Tsegay Gemechu, but it's one of the favorites. She's very strong.
I got something now to get the people on the floor.
Alma Zayana is an amazing runner. She is already an Olympic champion, and she has that very easygoing running style. She can probably survive any crazy pace from the start, and I'm expecting great things from her.
Get the people on the floor.
Joan Chelimo, Kenyan-born, but now representing Romania. She has won Daegu Marathon, and she has a 2:18 personal best. She's among the best runners in the world, but she sees that the times are going faster and faster. So as far as I know, because I do chat with her once in a while, she wants to be among those ladies that are now going deeper and deeper into the times, like 2:16, 2:15, something like that.
Give me
Bosena Mulati, she's a very young, talented Ethiopian lady. She ran Valencia half before. She has been in the podium for the Valencia half. And despite her young age, she has decided that it's time to progress to the marathon. And being an Ethiopian lady, where times in Ethiopia are going extremely fast, I'm very curious what she can do as a debut. She's strong, she's young, she has the courage, she will be there.